Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to split in VIM, how to split a screen to left, to right, or to above and below in VIM. So I will open a file named temp. Okay. So now I want to open a temp2 file on the left. I want to split it vertically. So how can I do that in VIM? You need to go to command mode and you type the command v split. It means that vertical split. And next you will type the name of the file. Now, so this is temp2. Okay, so you will see that the temp2 will split to the left of my temp file, my current file. So now what if I want to split it horizontally? Then I will close my temp2 file first. And if you want to open a temp2 or you want to split it horizontally, then you will type split without v. It means that split horizontally because this is the default. And if you add v split, it means a vertical split. So now I split with a name temp2. Then it will split temp2 file above my current file. Okay. So now the question is how can I change to the other side? For the vertical split, we split to the left. Now I want to split it to the right. And for the horizontally, I split it in the above. And now I want to split it in below my current file. So how can I achieve that? Then you need to go to the command mode. You need to type set split right. Okay. Then you will this is for the vertical split because right and left is vertical. Then now I split the temp2 file again. Split temp2. Oh, sorry, I need to vertical split temp2. So now you will see that temp2 will split to the right. And if I want to split it to the left again, then I will use this command set no split right. So no split right means that we will split to the left. So now I will re-split temp2. Okay, so now it's on the left again. And about horizontally, I will set split below. Okay, so now I split the temp2 file and it will the below the temp file. Okay, and if I want to split it to above again, then I will type a command set no, split below. And now I split temp2 is will on the above of my current file again. Okay, so now the question is that how can I navigate between these file? Like I am on the temp2 file and I want to move to the temp file. How can I do that? If you have only two files, you can use Control plus W. It will switch between the two files. So let's do that. Control W twice. Control W. Okay, let's I type it. Control plus W and plus W. Okay, so can go to the command mode. Control W and W. Okay, I turn to the temp2 file. Control W and W. I will turn into a temp file. So the same when you vertical split. But now how can you move around if you have more than two split screen? So let's open another like temp3 file on the left. So we split temp3. Okay. Now I have three different files here. So if you want to move to the temp one, you will control W and you use the movement key. So the movement key we have that's the left, right, up and down. So now a temp file is on the right of temp3 file. So then I will press L because L is equal to the right. Okay, now I on the temp file, and if you want to move to the temp2 file, you press Control W, and temp2 file is above my temp file of my current file. So then uh I will use the key K, because case is go up, case is go up. And moreover than that, you can use Control WW, but it will like move to um, move to each screen. So for example, that I'm in temp one here, I Control WW and it will go to temp two, Control WW, it will go to temp three, Control WW, it will return to a temp one. So in the case that I am in the temp one and I want to move to the temp three, then I will like press twice to go to the temp three. But if you Control W and you use the movement key, which is X, so you will go directly to temp 3 because X will go to the left. X. Oh, sorry. Uh, sorry. Okay. Let's back to my current cursor to temp 1. So now if I want to move to temp 3, Control W and X to the left, and I go to the left screen. Okay, so that's it for how we can split screen in Vim. So if you enjoyed this video, please like it. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will answer it. And if you don't want to miss my latest video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.